Buti nga dito, di ka na dinadrop sa ano eh. Mismong monster. Saka yun. Nice. What? That doggy? Oh my god! Holy shit. Parang bigla lumila ka dyan. What? Oh, weather change. Nagulat ako. Makunat ka man. Oh shit. It's the mode, baby. Hindi ko alam kasi ba't dito may spot dead na nga rin.
Dito lang yata yung arena niya.
Hindi, lumilipan siya dapat eh. Or pwede rin, kung may makita tayo.
Uy, bakit? What the fuck? Nasa tapat ba ako? What the hell?
May insurance naman yata. What?
Ang dami ko ng potion, dalawa pala yung nababawas, man. I love that.
Oh my god! That just fucking emptied me, what the fuck?
You're still alive, I thought you were dead, man.
Kain. Naman tayo, superhero.
A few moments later.
Wala naman manakto nito sa state na to.
Ha? I was full health!
Oh.
What? I was full health, man! What the hell?
Tapos ang insurance.
Full area, holy shit. Look at that, would you believe that? Golly.
Watch this. Oh well, never mind. Don't watch that. That's not
Wait,
part
there
of
we go.
the deal. Sell my shield.
Oh!
Ooh!
Sakit na hiniyupak, man. May speed healing at finest.
Oh what? Okay, buddy. Illegal. Illegal movement.
Wow, naubos. Naubos ako sa kalungit lang, ha? I'm out, boy. I'm out. Wait lang.
Just fucking capture it. It's close to that.
I don't think it's capturable.
Yeah,
Is it?
wait.
Okay, holy
Tell
crap.
them that
Oh. You both fail? What the fuck? That is why nagbabaon tayo ng...
Nasa camp na ako eh.
nasa camp din ako eh. How the fuck did you guys die?
Hindi, sabay tayo namatay.
Sabay namatay. I was full health, man.
After you left,
Oh.
Janelle died, and after a few moments, I died.
Oh shit. It's okay, I got that as well. Meron naman akong ganun eh.
I got some materials at least.